Congratulations to the viewers and students of youth class Odia medium, and we are already discussed in previous classes that what is tense and what is time. So today we are going to start a new topic, that is the use of present simple with the type of present. So how many types are present and the use of present simple is today's topic. So let us start the use of present simple with the type of present. You see, there are so many types of present. If I say in Odia, mu khaye, and also I say mu khauchi. So mu khaye, mu khauchi. Mu khaye, it refers to present. Mu khauchi, it is also present. Mu khaichi, it is also present. Mu khai asuchi, it is another present. So mu khaye, jo present. Mu khauchi, say present nuhe. Say present ki. Mu khaye, jo present. Mu khauchi, say present nuhe. Kintu present. So you see, the present is of different types. So today we are going to discuss the various types of present. Now discuss first what is the types of present. You see, our tense is of two that we have already discussed, that is present and past. And as there are so many types of present, now we are discussing the type of present. What type of present are mu jaye or mu jauchi ba mu jaichi ba mu jai asuchi. So mu jaye ba mu khaye, bapa padhanti, ma rosei karanti, this type of examples belong to present, but it's number one present. We can divide it as four different types of present. We can say it's ek number present, but dui number present, but tin number present, char number present. So there are four types of present that we have already discussed. You see, mu khaye, jo present, mu khauchi, say present nuhe, kintu present. तेणु आम मु खाए को जदि एक नंबर प्रेजेंट कहिबा, मु खाउछि दुई नंबर प्रेजेंट कहिबा, ताले आम डिस्कशन बर्तन करिबा जे मु खाए, जदि आम कहउछे मु खाए बापा पढ़ंती, these are the example of present simple. We call it present simple. As present is divided into four types. There's present number 1, present number 2, present number 3 and present number 4. So present number 1, mu khaye, bapa padhanti, ma rosei karanti, semane padhanti, ba semane janti, these belong to present number 1. So the structure is, one you see, the structure is present simple. We call it present simple. It was said as indefinite because it's not in definite situation. Mu jaye, ketebale jaye, kon kare, there is no definite purpose, it is indefinite. Indefinite means not definite, so it is called indefinite. But now in modern grammar we say it as present simple. In the present simple, the structure is subject plus verb. You see, number 1, the present simple, the structure is subject plus verb. There is a subject and there is a verb. With subject and verb we can make the sentence that is present simple. So mu khaye, mu jaye, se khele, se khelanti, se padhanti, these are the examples of present simple that we call present indefinite. So today we are going to discuss in which situation we use present simple. Now we are clear that tense is of two, that is present and past, and present is of four different types. There are so many types of present. Mu jaye jo present, mu jauchi sei present nuhe. So we can divide the present into four different types. There is present simple, present progressive, present perfect, and perfect progressive. Now you see only one, that is present simple, that is subject plus verb. In second present is called, that is progressive, or it is continuous. It's progressive or continuous, the work is on progress, and it is called continuous because it is a continuous process. आमे एबे इंग्लिश ग्रामर पढ़ुचे, we are learning English grammar, it is in a continuous process. किंतु आमे पढ़ू, आमे खाऊ, there is not a definite time, so it is called indefinite, that is present simple. But आमे पढ़ुछु, आमे खाऊछु, it is in continuous process, so it is called progressive or it is called continuous. That is number 2 present. We can say it number 1 present, आमे खाऊ, आमे जाऊ, आमे खेलू, आमे पढ़ू. Number 2 present, आमे खाऊछु, आमे पढ़ुछु, आमे जाऊछु. It is called present progressive. So progressive is called as continuous because it is in continuous process. And simple is called as indefinite because it is not in definite time, it is indefinite. So number 1 is present simple, that is subject plus verb. Number 2, that is progressive. The Odia is mu khauchi, bapa padhuchanti. So it is called progressive. So this is the difference between present number 1 and present number 2. Number 1 present, पिलाटा सब बदमाश करे, क्लास सब डिस्टर्ब करे, 1 नंबर बदमाश. एबे डिस्टर्ब करूची, दैट इज 2 नंबर, सेटा 2 नंबर बदमाश. सब बेले बदमाश करी 1 नंबर बदमाश से, किंतु एबे बदमाश करूची सेटा होची 2 नंबर बदमाश. तो आमे मन रखिबा जतरा सब बेले जो कामटा आमे करूचे 1 नंबर, तार किसी डेफिनेट टाइम नाही. मु जाए, मु खाए, मु पढ़े, किंतु एबे पढ़ुची, एबे खाउची, एबे जाउची. This is called progressive or continuous. So this is the difference between present number 1 and present number 2. Similarly, we will go to present number 3, that is perfect, and number 4, perfect progressive, or you may call perfect continuous. The structure of present progressive is subject plus is am are plus verb plus ing. Similarly, the perfect, the structure is subject plus has have plus past participle form pp or verb 3, and perfect progressive, that is subject plus has have plus been plus verb plus ing. So these are the structures of a different type of present. So today we are going to discuss about the use of present simple only number 1, present simple. We are going to discuss only present simple. In which situation we use present simple. खाली मु जाए, मु खाए, मु खेले, मु पढ़े, ये केवल present 1 नंबर रे बस परिबो नाही, केवल एई सिचुएशन रे. There are so many situations, so many variations, so many conditions that we use present simple. Let's discuss in which situations we use present simple. So now we are going to discuss the use of present simple. The subject plus verb. Use of present simple or present indefinite. In which situations we use present simple? सब बेले मु जाए, मु खाए, मु खेले, से माने पढ़ती, से माने जानती, खाली एई जगह रे हैबिचुअल एक्शन पाखरे प्रेजेंट 1 नंबर बसे नाही. बहुत सिचुएशंस अछि जोठी हमें प्रेजेंट 1 नंबर बसेबो. एबे से गुडा हम डिस्कशन करिया को जाउछे. फर्स्ट पॉइंट यू सी फॉर जनरल ट्रुथ, यू मे से जनरल और साइंटिफिक और यूनिवर्सल or mathematical truth. That means for general truth, scientific truth, universal truth, mathematical truth or laws of nature. In this case, we use present simple, that is subject plus verb. For example, you see, for general truth, we can say oil floats on water. Example, general truth hame kahi pariba je oil floats on water. So that oil floats, that is present simple. General truth. In scientific truth, you may say the earth moves around the sun. The earth moves around the sun. पृथ्वी सूर्य चारिपटे घुरुची किंतु घुरुची आम तो कही परिबानी 2 नंबर मु खाए 1 नंबर किंतु खाउची 2 नंबर किंतु पृथ्वी घुरुची आम कही परिबानी एटा पृथ्वी घुरुचीटा 2 नंबर बिकॉज इट रेफर्स टू साइंटिफिक ट्रुथ as it refers to scientific truth it comes under the present simple. So the earth not is moving, earth moves around the sun. It is scientific truth. Then you say universal truth. If I say Puri is famous for Lord Jagannath, Puri is famous for Lord Jagannath, in this sentence you see this is a universal truth, सार्वजनीन सत्य. पुरी जगन्नाथ मंदिर पर प्रसिद्ध यह गोटे सार्वजनीन सत्य. तेणु आक मैं प्रेजेंट सिंपल कर सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब. पुरी इज सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब. इज आमार वर्ब प्लस आईएनजी हेले आम कहवा सेटा प्रोग्रेसिव. खाली इज आमार रहला माने सेटा प्रेजेंट सिंपल. प्रेजेंट सिंपल सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब. सो पुरी इज फेमस फॉर लॉर्ड जगन्नाथ. इट इज यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ. देन यू से मैथमेटिकल ट्रूथ. 2 + 2 is 4. 2 + 2 is 4. It is called mathematical truth and is there. 2 + 2 is 4. Subject plus verb. So it all come under present simple. The laws of nature you can say the wind blows from south in summer. Wind blows from south in summer. In this sentence you see there is a laws of nature. Wind blows from the south. So it is a laws of nature. South in summer. So in such type of situations we use present simple. Then come to number 2. Example number 2. For present or permanent state. Second example you see present or permanent state. That is present state and permanent state. State means you see अवस्था. तो वर्तमान अवस्था present state. Permanent state स्थायी अवस्था. यही दुटी अवस्था क्षेत्र में आम प्रेजेंट सिंपल व्यवहार करिबा. Present state for example now I am in your class. This is the present state. The headmaster is in the office. It's a present state. So in this situation we use present simple. I am. The headmaster is. Subject plus verb. But in permanent state, you see the Himalayas are to the north of India. Katak is on the Mahanadi. Or Chaudhar is on the Virupa. They are all permanent state. स्थायी अवस्था. तो सब permanent state पाखरे हमें present simple use करिबा. So for present and permanent state we use present simple. Then come to number 3. That is habitual action. Habitual action. अभ्यासगत कार्य. He gets up early in the morning. You say yes or yes is used in the case of third person singular number. If I, we first person, you second person, but he, she, they, Rama, Syama, Jadu, they are all third person. So third person singular number. In the case of third person singular number, we use yes or yes only in present simple form, not in any other form. Only in present simple we can add yes or yes to the third person singular number, only in present simple. So he gets up early in the morning. That is a habitual action. Come to point number 4. That is demonstration. If we demonstrate anything, is demonstration. In case of cooking, suppose we are watching a TV show. In that case, the demonstrator, he uses that present simple form. He says, take a cup of rice, wash it properly, keep it separately. So this is called demonstration. So in case of demonstration, in science laboratory also, the science teacher, he demonstrates. Take the gas jar, light the spirit lamp. So something like that. So it is called demonstration. In that case, we always use present simple. Then come to number point 5, that is declaration. Demonstration, then declaration. Declaration, the work begins and ends at the same time. It begins and ends at the same time. एका समय रे काम आरंभ होउची एवं सरुची. एई भली काम रे हमें बसेबा डिक्लेरेशन. सपोज द चीफ गेस्ट ऑफ द मीटिंग declared the evening show or declared the annual function. So at the time of declaration, he says, I declare the 31st annual day function of Nimpur High School open. So I declare, not I am declaring. किंतु ओडिया रे मिता कोन कहउछे ना मु निमपुर हाई स्कूल रो 31तम क्रीड़ा उत्सव को बा वार्षिक उत्सव को उद्घाटन करूछि, उद्घाटन घोषणा करूछि. But he uses I declare, not I am declaring. So at the time of declaration, we use present simple, that is subject plus verb. Similarly, mu क्षमा भिक्षा करूछि, क्षमा मागुछि, I beg your pardon, excuse me. So these are all begins and ends at the same time. जणे क्षमा मागुछि, क्षमा मागिया कामटा आरंभ एवं शेष सरी गेला सेठी. मु घोषणा करूछि, घोषणा करिवा काम आरंभ एवं शेष सेठी सरुछि. So begins and ends at the same time, that is called declaration. So in case of declaration, we use present simple. Then you see fixed future. Fixed future, we use present simple. You see present simple is used in present and also in future. That is fixed future. That means officially fixed up. If it has been fixed by the office, we use present simple. For example, our school reopens in the month of January. Our exam begins in the month of April. So it has been fixed by the Board of Secondary Education Odisha, or it has been fixed by the our school examination committee, that we cannot change. We have nothing to do because it has been fixed by the office. So for such type of official fix up, we can use present simple. Train chhadibo, the train leaves. Train पहुँचिबो, the train arrives. तो एई प्रकार प्रेजेंट पाई हमें सॉरी एई प्रकार जो फ्यूचर पाई हमें यूज करिबा प्रेजेंट. So for such type of fixed future, we use present simple. Then you see running commentaries. Running commentaries, the commentator uses present simple. At the time of giving commentary, that he sees, he says to us, जहाँ से देखु जे हम संग संग कहूँ, तो से समय रे से यूज करिबा प्रेजेंट simple. Just like in a cricket commentary, you see the cricket commentary, the commentator says, Joy Surya bowls the ball to Tendulkar hits it, it goes up, someone runs to catch it, but no, he gets 4 runs. So it's commentary. The running commentary, the commentator always uses the present simple in each and every sentence. You see, Joy Surya bowls the ball, Tendulkar hits it, someone runs to catch it, but no, it passes the boundary line and he gets 4 runs. So in each and every running commentary, the commentator uses the present simple. So it is called running commentary. Then you see in non-progressive verb, some non-progressive verbs are there that we can't use it in present progressive form. For example, mu dekhuchi, mu khauchi आई एम इटिंग, मु खेलुछि, आई एम प्लेइंग, मु लेखुछि, आई एम राइटिंग, किंतु मु देखुछि, नॉट आई एम सीइंग, बिकॉज सी इज द नॉन प्रोग्रेसिव वर्ब. Some non-progressive verbs are there which are not used in present progressive verb, and in that case we use present simple. तो मु देखुछि, I see, मु पसंद करुछि, I like, so I like, I see, these are the uses of non-progressive verb in present simple. Then come to if clause. If clause type 1. In if clause type 1, we use present simple. There are 4 types of if clause. In future classes, we will discuss about that. Now you see, in type 1, there is a structure, the if plus subject plus present. You see, subject plus present modal. That means shall, will, present modal plus verb. Shall, will, can, may, we can use. So if plus subject plus present, present simple is used. If you come, we will play. If you come, we will play. So if you come, here you see, you come, present simple is used in if clause type 1. So in if clause type 1, we can use present simple. You see, point number 10, lively description of the past. Lively description of past. You say present simple is such type of present that can be used for present time, future time, and also use for past time. Present simple एभली गोटे स्ट्रक्चर जहाँ कि पिला देख या प्रेजेंट रे बसी पारुची, पास्ट रे बसी पारुची, फ्यूचर भी बसी पारुची. In fixed future, you see, it can be used in future. Now you see, lively description of the past. In the past situation, we can use present simple. How? In past situation, we can use present simple. नाटक रे देखिथिबा जो कहा जाए तापर ता जीवन रे घोटी आसे दुर्दिनर कला अंधकार, भांगी चूर मार ही जाए तार सुनार संसार. For such type of description, you see the past events are described in the present simple. Then comes a black cloud in the sky of his life, then breaks the golden family life. So it is the lively description. जीवंत वर्णना, अतीतर जीवंत वर्णना पाई आमे वर्तमान प्रेजेंट सिंपल मध्य व्यवहार करि परिबा. देखो पिला माने केते प्रकार सिचुएशन रे आमे प्रेजेंट सिंपल व्यवहार करूचे. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट नंबर 11. lively description पर आमे डिस्कशन करे न्यूज़पेपर हेडलाइंस. न्यूज़पेपर हेडलाइंस we can use present simple. Suppose the CM, Chief Minister of Karnataka, has resigned, but the headline is written, the CM of Karnataka resigns. This is the newspaper headlines. So present simple is used for the whole news. That means the CM of Karnataka resigns. So present simple is used here. Then you see next point number 12, your imperative sentence. Imperative sentence we use present simple. Don't laugh, stand up, come here. These are all imperative sentence. So in imperative sentence we use present simple. Subject plus verb. So in imperative sentence we use present simple. Number 13. So for words like you're always, often, sometimes, occasionally, we also use. So words like always, sometimes, occasionally, or often, occasionally, we use present simple. My uncle sometimes comes to our home. Sometimes comes. बेले बेले आसंती. So often, sometimes, occasionally, always, always in good sense, we can use present simple. So always in good sense, we use present simple. Then last but not the least is here or there as subject. If a sentence begins with here and there, you see here and there as a subject. There is a high school in our village. So in this sentence, there is there as the grammatical subject. So there is. Similarly, here comes the bus. There goes the bell. So here comes the bus. There goes the bell. These are the right examples of present simple as a here and there as a subject. So in various situations, we use present simple, that is subject plus verb, that we say number one present or ek number present. Thank you again for your cooperation and welcome to our future class, and with request to like, subscribe and give comments. Thank you very much.